Hey everyone, my name is Arianshah, and today we're going to be talking about NFTs, how you can make a lot of money in the ecosystem by minting one of these assets and selling immediately. And there's many tools to use for success, such as rarity tools, such as rarity snipers, such as NFT calendar. As you guys know, me and my team, we've been working hard on Wall Street Wolves, a generative collection of 10,000 wolves. We'll be launching on November 19th. And if you want more details, definitely check out our Twitter, Discord, and Instagram in the description below. We are launching on November 19th because that is the next full moon. So if you're interested, definitely smash that like button and leave a comment below and follow our social medias. We'll be doing giveaways very, very soon. So I look forward to that. But let's get into my NFT portfolio, how I just minted a Fat Ape Club NFT, and how if you own two of those NFTs, you'll be able to breed another NFT. I minted this for 0.2, so about $1,300, and immediately this NFT went up to 0.5, then 0.6. So already doubling the value. It has not revealed yet. It will reveal tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So stay tuned. I'll show you which one I got, or I'll let you know if I sell off that NFT. But let's not waste your time and get into how to check rarities and how we're making money off JPEGs on the blockchain. So this is my rarity, my NFT collection here. And you can see Ari Shah, and I just minted this Fat Ape Club. We minted this for 0.2 Ethereum. If you look at our MetaMask, you'll see how we just minted this for $1,350. That was how much we minted it for. And when we go into the Fat Ape Club, we see that the floor price is now at 0.62. That is a 3x on our original trade. So I could sell this, I guess it's at 0.158, update a little slow, and trade volume has gone over 1,000. But I suspect for this price to be between 0.5 to 1 Ethereum until the reveal tomorrow. This is very similar to Party 8 Billionaire Club and very similar to other projects, especially when we're in a bull run and projects are pumping and Ethereum is also going up in price. When you see Ethereum's price go up, you see the floor price in correlation of NFTs go down. For example, we had a Roboto, or we have a Roboto, and with our Roboto, we received several airdrops. So because I owned this one Roboto, I got this Kiss Boto, I got this Bango Boto, I got this Zombie Boto, I got this Home Kitty Boto, all were airdropped. And then I was eligible to pay gas fees and mint this Robo Pet. So the amount of free value I gained from this Roboto is exponential. If you look here, I bought this Roboto for 0.15. It is already double in value. But if we take a closer look, you'll see I had an opportunity to sell this Roboto. Look at all these offers here for much more. But at one point, Robotos was a full Ethereum before Ethereum was pumping. So I didn't want to give up my Roboto because they've been giving me so much free value, airdropping me a new NFT every month. When we look at the trade volume and we look at the last 90 days, you'll see Robotos peaked all the way up here, going up to a, what is that? A 1.62 average price. We were at 1.62 Ethereum and we're roaming around 1 Ethereum and are slowly having a decline as people are moving a lot of their money into cryptos. But believe me, this is a battle of cycles. And with cryptocurrency, you have to make sure you're following the trends, you're following the narrative so you guys can make money. It might have been a good idea for me to sell my Roboto back here when it was worth 1.6 Ethereum, because now it is worth 0.44 Ethereum. And when it was at 1.6, Ethereum was under $4,000. So if I would have sold it for full Ethereum, not only would I have 16x on my money, a 16x just by selling at 1.6, I would have also gained 20 to 40% in the value of Ethereum. So that potentially is a mistake by me, or it was a good move, and Robotos will gain more traction in the upcoming months as the NFT marketplace starts to heat up once again. And trust me, when you see volume and projects that are like Robotos, projects that are like Fat Ape Club, projects that have so much community go down in price, this is your opportunity to buy them on the low. And remember, you don't have to buy now. You can make many bids under floor price and someone will sell because they are illiquid and they want to get liquid and they want to potentially get back into Ethereum. So you make the smart play and buy these coins on the low. So if you guys are finding value from this video, smash that like button so the YouTube algorithm gets this to more like-minded people trying to get into the NFT ecosystem. We minted this Fat Ape yesterday and we're still waiting for the reveal, but we're doing absolutely amazing. We could sell now or hold and see what NFT we get. I think we're just going to hold because we believe NFTs are going to explode once again, although it would be great to sell and 3x on our money, which if you're new to the space, I would say, take that gain. If that's all the money you have, take that 3x and reinvest it into another one. However, I really like the art here. I really want to get a Naruto Fat Ape, and who knows, maybe I win the Lamborghini for having this ape. They have a lot of incentives. They also have tokens and a vault. So I have reason to stay in this project the same way I do with Robotos. The way NFTs are providing value for people will disrupt how we do business entirely. And we know this because if you saw our last video on Facebook changing their name to Meta, this is just the beginning of NFTs going into the metaverse and really transitioning from the physical world to the digital world. So if you agree with that, smash that like button and click that bell button for time-sensitive information. We bought this Fat Ape yesterday and we spent around $1,300 on it and it is now sold out. Very extreme high price. It was 0.2 Ethereum for this Bored Ape, but it had the hype and the community to execute properly. That being said, you usually don't want to get into a project that is higher than 0.08 Ethereum because it's just overvalued. But you'll see people like Mechaverse and Fat Ape Club that have the community do this. So it would be safe to sell now, but we do believe in the NFT space. So we will see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. For those of you looking to search how valuable your NFTs are, you want to come to the NFT platform known as rarity.tools. You can see new projects and collections being added. You can click on upcoming and you can also choose the collection. So if I click on CryptoPunks, the first generative art ever made back in 2017, just to let you know how early we are, generative art was made in 2017. Artists and coders came together, but it did not get hot until Bored Apes Club earlier this year. So it's been less than a year of real mainstream traction. Nobody was talking about it in 2017. If anything, people were ignoring it, and CryptoPunks was an experiment project that has made millionaires. All right. So that's what we're trying to replicate in the NFT space. We're trying to create a roadmap that will be long-term, a continuous team using utilization and consistent work. All right. Don't just ape into any project. Look at the roadmap, see what value they're providing, see what type of community you have. Is that something that relates to you? And then move from there. But when you're on Rarity Tools, you can type in any number from 10,000 and you'll receive the rarity score. You'll see the attribute count, the punk type, which is female, the hair, the eyes, the facial hair, so on and so forth. But yeah, guys, this is my NFT collection. These are the NFTs I have invested in. Soon we'll be dropping the Wall Street Wolves. If you guys want to get involved, definitely check out our Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. But as always, guys, I really appreciate your time. I'm glad you guys are with me on this journey. And to all my subscribers, I just want to say thank you. Um, and till next time, we'll come back with more gems, more ways to make more money. And this is just the beginning. There is no ecosystem as rich as crypto and NFTs right now. And the sooner you realize this, the sooner you become an early adopter, the sooner you will reach financial independence. And that is the ultimate goal, to have freedom and financial independence. So thank you guys. I'll see you next time.